I found a cake seed in New State.
Hello guys, this is Airbnb in Kisumu, Dala. So I want to show you around and just want to show you how it really looks like.
I found a cake seed in New State.
So you enter like this and there is kitchen, open kitchen. Is it open kitchen or I don't know? There's a kitchen here and there is your bedroom. So let's see what they have in the kitchen. Yeah, looks clean, looks nice, well equipped. They have the dishes and nice cups, golden spoons, Then they give you, like, these are tea bags or tea bags. This is tea Kericho. Pretty advert there, Kericho. Then you also get this one, sugar, because that is the token for electricity. Let me see what they have in the cabinets. The cabinet seems empty. Oh, there is some wine glass. About wine or juice glass? A wine glass. Then you have the cooking sufurias, we call them. Cooking pots. Green cooking pots. Then right here, there is the lid, and there's nothing there. So they basically put the cooking pots for you in the cabinet. You have your cooker right there. And what do they have in this cabinet? Seems there's a pail for water. There's nothing there. Yes, and we have the oven, drum, kettle, and right here we have the kitchen cutlery stuff that you might need. This is for ugali, and you have knives here and everything. And of course the golden plate, the golden spoons, all in one place. Now we are going to the living area where you have nice and easy. There's a couch, two-seater couch, the TV there, and you also have 2 water bottles in case you have 2. You'll use this, but since I'm by myself, I'll drink all that. You have an empty fridge. I need to go buy some stuff to put in here. Yeah, today I want to do chicken. Yeah, I feel like eating chicken. Let me see if the TV is working. Boom. Should be powering on. It's not powered. Let's try again. Okay. Let me see. I think it's not powered. Yeah, it's powered. Seems there's no power. Seems there is no power. Really? Let me check it. There is power. Seems there is no power. But when did I used to come here? There should be power. There's no power. So I have to contact the owner of this B&B. But if I contact him, let's have a look at the bathroom. Looks clean. This room, though, is locked. I don't know why it is locked. And I'll ask because maybe the person who locks it can unlock and join me here. And I don't want to gamble that much. So this is possibly the switch that lights, maybe this because there's no light here. That lights this, and this that lights any of this. So I'm just gonna keep them off. Then let me show you the washroom. So this is the washroom, pretty clean, smells nice. Then you have your hand wash, sink. Okay. I feel like they didn't actually replace the tissue. The tissue is gone. Yeah, and you have a mop right there. Let's go to the bedroom. See what we have. To the bedroom. There we go. You have an iron box and a nice bed here. Looks nice. But as always, I learned this from a certain YouTuber who likes removing this to see if it has any bugs or if it is clean. So hopefully it's clean. It's clean. Okay, gonna take that back in. And that marks the end of Airbnb review in Kisumu Dalo, Kisumu Seri, Kenyan third